Man, I thought jail was supposed to be boring.
Nah, little bruh. You just got here. Wait till the zoo wakes up.
Y'all all going to hell. Every last one of you. Just watch. Girl, I risk another 10 years. I swear. Welcome to the Greasy spoon, baby. Eat at your own goddamn risk. Shit. Hey, yo! You see these games? You see these games? I live commissary boxes for breakfast. Hey, let me get that show when you're done, little bruh. If you don't mind. Check, bruh. Yo, I got some brand new Rolex watches, my nigga. Fresh out the kitchen. 3 for $5, no refunds. I got some rings too, Joe. The spirits say someone owes me soup packets. Hey, so what's your real charges? I'm just curious. And where you guys get all those cigarettes?
The shorty just can't tell me no. No, it don't rock like that.
Say, it works perfectly now, Holmes. It's gonna be a soup and 2 honey buns.
Tell Chino come fix my fan. Tell Smiley make my fucking bed.
Nah, see, like, for real, like, I'm from Zone 1, shawty. Like, don't none of this shit bother me. This shit, like, really regular.
And that's when I told the governor they'll never find the bodies.
Damn, bro. I got 100 years. 100 motherfucking years. But hey, y'all wanna play spades?
Yo, what up, my guy? Think you can fuck with me with a soup till stow day? I got your back.
Technically, that's not how Double Jeopardy works.
Who hungry for real? I got Popeyes and Mickey D's for a fee. Big Mac, baby. Holla at Big Mac for Big Mac, baby.
Gentlemen, the jurisprudence of the matter is quite clear. Quite clear. Hey, what's up? Come holler at me, show. Yeah, I ain't gonna bite you. Check this out. Okay. You need a phone, coffee, some weed. I'm your man. Yeah.
All right now, men. Let's make this quick. Everybody strip.
Hey, what's up? Hey, if you need anything, I got you, man. I'll make your bed. I'll whip you guys a little drink, you know, your Foxies, Bombays, whatever you call them, you know. Make your break. It might not taste too well. I don't put any seasoning in it, but I got you, buddy. I'm your man. See this wheelchair, be throwing them off. You got anything you need to hide? Fuck with me.
The 96 Bulls was better than the Warriors. Facts. Go argue with your mama. I don't want to talk. Beat your ass.
What's cracking? You make stove? That's what's up. Oh, where are we going? It's 3 in the morning. Hell, I don't know. Nowhere.
Bro, like what the fuck did I just see?
Welcome to the dorm, little bro. You win here now.